Wait. Okay, so this girl just explained to me what class is all about, and I'm going to start dancing and practicing and doing all that ballerina stuff with my... Ah! There's a boy in here! Okay, first I'm going to start stretching. Next stretch. Okay, let's sideways. Sideways. And then let's do reach left. Yes. Yes. Do that stretch. Reach right. Front splits. Développé. Middle splits. Splits. Touch our toes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sit and stretch. Splits. Splits! Sit. Okay. So now I'm just going to stretch my legs by sitting like this. This is a weird way to sit. Okay. That's good. Okay. Tilt. I'm stretching. Stretch. Wait, 1. Oh, 2. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay. First position. Okay, easy. This is the easy first position. I just put my hands in front of me. Okay. Second position. Yeah, I just reach out to the sides of me. Let me just get a little closer, and then do the second position so I can reach onto the bar. Okay. Grabbing the bar. No, I'm going to do that. Yes. Okay. Now, second position. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Ew. Okay, oh my gosh. Boy. Okay. Let's do third and fourth position, fifth position. This is a very important position. Like that position. Okay, double faute. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I don't want to get into the big stuff yet, so I'm just gonna do acrobiscute and sus. Oh, I love this. I just go around in circles. Okay, oh my gosh, this is cute. Whatever this is, passe 1. Okay, passe 2. And battements. Whatever that is. Okay. Shan, we're gonna get to the all a second. Yeah, that's better. Just grabbing onto the bar as I do this, so it can help me do it alone. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, and calypso. That was too much. Okay. Well, now I'm just gonna watch her. She's so pretty, and look at how good she's dancing. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try and do that. Oh my gosh. So, ow. How? Oh, that hurt. Oh my gosh. Ow. Oh my gosh. I cannot do that thing. I cannot do that thing. It's too hard. It's too hard. Oh my gosh, girls. How do you do this? People over there are being weird. I don't know what's happening over there, but I'm just gonna, in place only. No, I can't go in, man! I wanted to go in. Okay, what should I do now? I don't know. Should I start getting into the big stuff? Start learning how to do this stuff? She could teach me. Let's see. Okay, so I just asked her if she would teach me, and she said, okay, what is that? I don't know how to do that, person. Oh my gosh. How am I gonna do that? That's the wrong thing. I'm gonna die. Okay, I don't know what she's doing. Chan. I can't. Switch toes. Okay. How do I do that thingy? I don't know how do I do that thingy? Develope. Okay, acrobacy. Whatever all these positions. Some splits. Acrobacy. Oh, that's how you do the thing. Oh, it's this arabesque promenade. Sit and stretch. Let's do this. Oh, how do I do that? Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do that? Calypso. Christ de die there. Oh my gosh, you want me to do the calypso thingy? Oh. Wow, I did it! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm doing it! I'm learning ballet! I'm doing it! Yes! Yes, 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 yes. I'm doing it. Oh my gosh. I'm doing it. It's hard. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that girl just finished helping me, and she was so nice, and she helped me so much. And now I can actually do real ballet. Look at this move. She taught me it. It was so amazing. See, look at this position. It's like so cool. Okay, and look, I can do this. Wow, you see this? This is awesome, right? I can do real ballet now. Okay. Maybe I should go and get, yeah, it's probably lunchtime because all the girls are going downstairs now. Okay, I didn't leave any stuff here, so. Let's take off the bow. Oh, wait, but if I do that, it will suck my hair up. Okay, I'm gonna, take this cup and get some tea. Thanks. Oh my gosh, what is happening? I just press and that happens. It's funny. Look, bye, 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 bye. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that's enough playing around. Okay, yeah, I didn't need issues. Okay, let's just, yeah, there's someone in here. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Let's take this off. Take this off. Oh my gosh, I can't take this off. Oh my gosh! Ah! Stuck like this? Oh well. Let's just, change back like this. There. I will change back. Okay, I've changed back into my normal outfit. Let's get my stuff from my locker. Let's get the guidebook that I left in there. And I was trapped in my own locker. Oh my gosh. Okay, close locker. Okay. Time to go back home and enjoy everything once more. Ballet class was fun. That was like the most fun I've ever had. It was like so much fun. Okay, time to go back home to my home. Yes, finally. Okay, I'm here. I cannot wait to arrive back home. Okay, okay, perfect. Let's just sit here. Because this place is so far away from the mainland, I like, what? Wait a minute. I see a place over there. What's that place? I want to know. Tell me. Where is that place you go? Go up the stairs. I'm gonna climb up this because I'm savage. Okay. I don't know what that place is. Ah! What is that place? Okay. I'm just gonna go there before heading home. secretary. The gym? Gym? Oh, I see. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did you just... That's stupid. Stupid. Ooh, I can get donuts! That's amazing. I never knew anything about this place. Now I know I can get donuts here. Okay. Ooh, I could get some stuff. I could get some yogurts. I can get some milkshakes. I could get an apple, a raspberry, all of those drinks. I can go upstairs. Ooh, I can work out on these thingies. Just do it. Yes, I reached it. These things are not even anything. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so lame. Okay. Just do it. Do what, boy? Oh my gosh. I can't. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Okay? Done working out at the gym. Time to go home. And wait a minute. Are there other places on this island? Let's see. Let's see. Are there other places on this island? Wait a minute. I think I saw something. What's that? Oh my gosh, I see something. Oh my gosh, it just does shift lock switch. Oh no, I don't. This is funny. I just opened the curtain and then she was like, stop! She was like, and I was like, ha ha ha. But I didn't actually type that in the chat or whatever. Maybe I should do it again. No, run! She's gonna get me. How dare you? Stop. Stop! How dare you? See? I don't even know what it is. Oh my gosh, I gotta do it. Just right there. Run! Run! Again! These people are like, stop doing that! I want to see what they said. Do it. Do it again. No, do it. Open it. Open it. No. Open it. Run. Oh my gosh. I was like the word. Run. Oh my gosh. What's it? Oh my gosh. Little do they know they're going to be on the faces of YouTube saying stop to me and trying to bully me. Okay, time to go home. Time to go home. Run away from these stupid girls. Yeah, I just called you stupid, and then on YouTube, you're gonna be like, what? She called you stupid? She called me stupid? And then I'm gonna be like, yeah. Okay, time to go home. Time to go home. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It's raining money. Please like, comment, and subscribe on what I should do next. And hit that notification bell, that notification button, and bye! Hope you enjoyed the video. I will do another roleplay like this soon, and I should probably start uploading on my channel because I'm like total free. But bye! Hope you enjoyed!